Guys, video alert. Wow, so cool. Anyways, you're probably wondering what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm just playing in pig steps so my parrots can dance for another video that's gonna come out, which is basically what's it called again? What was it? What was that video? Oh yeah, the Minecraft video. We're doing it in hardcore, and I was gonna put a killing animal montage, so I needed my parrots to be in there to dance because I needed something else to be in that like little time lapse. Wow, I spawned in 3 red birds at a time. So at this point I'm realizing that these birds won't dance, and at this point I'm turning on my speaking so you can hear now. Go ahead, enjoy. This is the rest of the commentary. Oh, they won't dance.
Why are you vlogging?
I have to, I was doing a green screen thing, and it's not really working, is it? I guess I'll have to put it above air? What?
What's wrong?
They just don't like pig step, these losers! Fine. Cat, who doesn't like cat?
Want to see axolotls?
This is over.
Have you looked at the axolotls yet?
Dance! What song do they like?
Google it.
Can't see.
It's difficult.
I can't see.
By the way, I made my own world, Brayden. So
I literally cannot see.
It's so great.
Where did it go? Is this the wall? Okay, everything will be perfect after this. Let's try it again.
Ooh. I think that's all I need.
Dance!
You have to feed them. You have to tame them.
Probably.
Maybe. Oh my god.
Now dance. What? Where'd he go?
It's on
Get
your
off.
shoulder.
Get off. Dance. Get it.
Put music in the music box. Yeah, put music in.
Okay, you know what?
I
It's not working. Let's try this instead.
Oh my god.
Hello and welcome to the Vine Lab. Today we're experiencing why my birds won't dance
Are we gonna
to the
vlog?
jukes box. Like they don't like pig step, then they don't like anything. Da, da. These birds are so confusing. This is my life now. This is my life. I don't know how to make them dance. I don't get it.
I haven't got it either. Why is it difficult?
This is a jukebox,
And that's a parrot.
and they dance. Got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, fools. What? Now you're dancing? I don't get it. What was the difference? No, y'all are dying. No, 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 we can't have this here.
Wait, where'd my bird go?
All of you die.
Get off my shoulder. You get a parrot off your shoulder. So you have to
Don't want to dance? Then you don't dance.
You have to tame.
Okay, let's try this again. That's so adorable. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Nessa, do you agree that that clip was adorable with the pigeon dancing? Pigeon? With the parrot dancing on the jukebox? Do you agree?
No.
Let's watch it back. Let's go. I'm sorry for ever offending you, but I need you to die. Okay. I don't know what changed. Is it like the 10 parrots that are near? Okay, that's what I'll do. I'll spawn in 100 parrots. I mean, I'll spawn in so many parrots, they can't stop dancing. Okay, we put it in.
Oh my
And
god, I
then we
swear. I thought I killed this parrot.
add the birds. Oh shoot.
I have a parrot. One on my shoulder.
Okay, I don't know if you get it, but at this point, this is kind of where I kind of understood what was happening. It's kind of funny because if I didn't mess up and accidentally take out the disc, I wouldn't have figured it out. But the way to make the parrots dance is that you have to put in the disc after you spawn it in. It's kind of ironic, isn't it? Oh, I see. Okay. No, come back. Where's the music? Ah!
You're struggling.
Wait, I'm so confused. No, Parrot, don't. No, get out.
Fun fact, you can leash.
Okay, wait, I need to kill this one. This one's green. We can't have green ones.
2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5, 6. They're flying away. 7, 8.
Yeah, my birds are flying away!
Tame them.
Dude, why didn't I think of that? Sit. 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 Is it sitting? I can't tell.
I think it's dancing.
Okay.
Oh my god.
This music's really loud. Okay, I have a basic understanding now. First step. Wait, this is a green one. We can't have green ones here. Sorry.
Oh my god.
No, he's
Just
flying
give
away.
up, just
Gotta
give
kill him.
up.
No, I'm not giving up. I need to finish my green screen. Who told you to fly away and you run? I'm doing it. I gotta kill this one. It's flying away.
I give up on that one.
I swear, birds are like the most. They hate me. I don't know.
I love
Nope, no green ones. Sorry. I'm sorry. What? What? Nope, this one's my bird.
Why?
I don't know what happened. Like, this is why I hate birds. They never want to sit. I mean, they never want to stop moving.
Then why are you trying to make birds dance?
I need to. Okay, it's time for a green screen. Okay.
You did.
This is what you'll see in the next video. My birdie's dancing. This is all I needed. Goodbye.